Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it is a Monday. The market just opened about an hour ago, and we have a lot of opportunities to trade the market this week. So on today's topic, we'll just be making a weekly look, a weekly outlook of what is to come, where we can take trades, where we can have possible trading opportunities. Right now, we're gonna be doing 10 pairs. That is from AUD JPY up until gold. Right, so it's gonna be AUD JPY, NZD JPY, this list here up until gold. Right, so firstly we're going to be doing AUD JPY. Now when we analyzing AUD JPY, it actually goes with NZD JPY in the sense that they have a positive correlation with each other. So whatever we're going to be doing here, we're going to get pretty much almost a similar thing with NZD JPY. Okay, so firstly, what I want to identify here is that we had a level here in the market being formed. Okay, please be advised that this is the 4-hour time frame, right? Yes, we're gonna be sticking to the 4-hour time frame for the weekly analysis to see what is gonna happen with the market, right? So we had market make a level in the market, which is here. Then the market came back into that level to retest that market, that level where we saw the market push to the downside, creating a new high and a new low. Pushing to the downside, we get a new lower low here. Right now we have the market pulling back into a level of structure. So what can we see here is that we can see that a level of the market has been broken. This level here, which could be actually, we can identify it as the neckline of these two tops here, right? This area here, this level here was broken here to the downside, and now we're having market pushing back into that level. So what we can expect from this market is we can actually expect the market to pull back in, to pull into this area here, right, where we might get possible trading opportunities to the downside. Why do I have this? It's because we can see that we actually had two markets at two levels in the market being broken, whereas this is also another level in the market being broken. Right now the market has pushed back into this area here where we could get possible trading opportunities to the downside. Right now, for us to get possible opportunities to the upside, I want to see the market break this level here. Right now, if the market breaks this level here, we will be looking for tradable opportunities, wherein we will be looking for the market to push down back into that level as a retest and giving us a push to the upside. Right now, moving to NZD JPY, like remember that I said that AUD JPY and NZD JPY are more like similar, so we could be getting actually the same, or more likely the same analysis on that. So we can here see that here we have also another level which was failed to be broken. Right, we had the market tap into a level and push back into that level. We had the market breaking levels of structure here, right, and here we had the market breaking these two levels of structure. Now what we can expect from this is to expect the market to push into this level, right, giving us tradable opportunities to push to the downside. Right now we also want to see the market break this level for us to get a small retest into this level. Sorry about that. For us to get a retest into this level and the tradable opportunities to buy the market, right? Now moving down to Euro JPY. Now this one doesn't go hand in hand with the previous two. It doesn't correlate with those ones. So, but what we can see here is that we had a market form a level of structure here, right, which failed to break at this areas here. This level here failed to break at this area there, right? Put this here, right? We then had a level in the market being broken, a break of structure. So now the market is actually pushing back into that level of structure. So what we can expect here is that we could actually expect the market to push up to this level here, right? And then get tradable opportunities pushing to the downside, right? Also, the reverse of that could happen because we have a level here being formed. Now we could actually get the market play around this level here before pushing to the upside. We could actually get the market pulling back into this level and then continuing to the upside. Now for us to get a tradable opportunity, we would like to see the market pull back down into the previous structure, the previous level of structure, and continue pushing to the upside. For us at the level, when the market reaches this level here, we want to see opportunities for us to enter the market pushing to the downside. Now on AUD CAD, well, this one is actually a very nice setup because we saw the market pulling to the upside, creating levels. Let me do this here, creating levels yeah, and here, right? Now if you have analyzed this, you have done a top-down analysis, you could actually see that from a daily perspective, this market has been pushing to the downside, right? Now we have the market pulling back into a level of structure, which is this structure, which is being tested here right now. Now we will be looking for tradable opportunities to say that we can see that the market has pulled back into a level of structure, and now we want tradable opportunities to push to the downside, right? We can also see the presence of a very huge bearish momentum in the market, signaling that there are buyers, there are sellers in the market, sorry about that, and the market could actually push to the downside, right? And for us to see the market pushing to the upside, we want to see the market push to this level here. We want to see the market push to this level here and then come down for a retest at this level here, where we will be looking for opportunities for us to say that the market is actually pushing to the upside, right? Now moving to another pair, which is the Great British Pound against the Japanese yen. With this one, we had seen the market fall in the past week. And what we are looking at, we can see that the market has actually failed to break this level here, where it had previously broken this level here. We have now saw the market push above this level, right? Now, what we will be waiting for, we could actually expect the market to pull down back into this level, right? Where we could see the market push to the upside, right? Or we could actually observe the market reach this liquidity level here, this level here, where we will get tradable opportunities for us to say that the market is now continuing its bearish move to the downside here, pushing to the downside, right? And moving down to the USD CHF, that is the US dollar against the Swiss franc. What we could see in the previous week is that the market has actually broken previous level of structure here, right? And actually has formed a neckline here where we can see that this here will be our two tops here, this one and this one here. All right. What could we expect from the market? We have already seen that the market has broken below this level here. Now what we could see is the market actually pull down from this level to this area here, or we could actually see the market pull back up into a level of structure in order to confirm that, to retest that neckline, and we can see the market pulling to the downside. Sorry about that. Moving down to another pair, which is the USD CAD. Well, this one has actually been an exciting and very thrilling pair, because we had seen that the market was actually at a previous level of structure, which was a previous support structure where it's at currently. But then we can see now on the 4-hour time frame that a level of structure had been broken, and now we are coming back for a very clean retest on this price level here. Now, what could we expect from here? We could actually look for buying opportunities here on the lower time frames for us to enter the market, pushing to the upside to this level here, right? We could actually also see the market pull down below this level here, giving us a retest and a push to the downside, right? Now, this all depends on your entry strategies that you use to enter the market, where you could see that, okay, now I am actually able to trade this market or not, right? Now, you will be needing to use those entry strategies to enter all of the pairs that I have analyzed so far and actually get tradable opportunities on those ones. Now, on the USD JPY, that is the US dollar against the Japanese yen, we saw a level of structure being broken in the previous week very impulsively. Now we know that, that there are two ways in which the market moves. We have the impulsive move, right? And then we have the corrective move into a level of structure, right? And that is what we can see happening around here, right? Now, after an exhaustion or a corrective move, we're actually expecting an impulsive move in that direction, right? Now, this is what we can see here. We saw a level of structure being broken. This level of structure, we saw it being broken here, right? And now we can see the market pushing correctively into that level. Now, what we could get here is a push to the downside and giving us a nice sell there at the market. So what would we'll be waiting for? Let me clear this out. Now, what we want to see is we want to see the market giving us a nice pull into this area here, where we could see tradable opportunities pushing to the downside here, right? And going down to the USD ZAR, that is the US dollar against the South African rand. Now, what we saw during the past week was that the market was making higher highs and higher lows here. And now we can actually see that price was actually consolidating within this area here, right? Now, for us to confirm a buy in this channel, we would want to see price actually giving us a reason to enter the market at one of these areas here, right? And for us to look for a sell we would be, or for us to see a bearish movement to the downside for the long term, we'll be wanting the market to break this level, come back for a clean retest, and we will be looking for those bearish movements to the downside here, right? And the last one will be gold. And I know some of you like trading gold. And what we see here right now, we can see that on the 4-hour time frame, on our current trend, we can see that the market has been making higher lows and higher highs, pushing to the upside, right? We can see our most level of structure being this area here, and we can see our most higher high being this level here. Now, for us to look for a long-term sell on this one, or a sell to this area here, we would want to actually see the market break this level, retest this level, and then we will be looking for a reversal pattern pulling to the downside, right? Now, for us to see the market continue pushing to the upside, we want to see the market break this level here, giving us a clean retest here, and we will be looking for buying opportunities with the market continuing its bullish move, right? Now, on the USD it is a bit tricky because we have a lot of spikes there happening, and we have a lot of impulsive moves happening there. I would like for you guys to actually wait for the market to break a key level in the market for you to enter that buy trade or sell trade. Now, for gold, which is gold against the US dollar, I would actually also like for you guys to wait for the market to break a key level of structure for you to confirm that buying or selling opportunity, right? Now, we will be doing a full analysis of gold. I hope you guys watch out for that video also. And then I hope that this video was very helpful. If it was, if you like the content that I have done here, please click on that like button. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe on that, click that subscribe button and click that bell button to be notified. Okay. Now, if you don't like the content that I am posting, you can comment or send me an email to tell me that what other kinds of pairs you want me to analyze for you, or if you guys want a different approach of actually analyzing the market. Right now, for me, I'm gonna leave it here and hope that you guys have a very fruitful week.